Looking for a quick, flavorful, and crowd-pleasing snack? These Buffalo Chicken Taquitos with baked cheese shells are your perfect solution. Crispy on the outside, cheesy and spicy on the inside, and made with simple ingredients. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups cooked, shredded chicken, 1/3 cup buffalo sauce, 1/4 cup cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper, to taste, 6 small flour tortillas, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, and olive oil spray for a perfect crisp finish.
Let's start by making the filling. In a large bowl, combine your cooked shredded chicken with the buffalo sauce, softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all together until it's nice and creamy. This will give your taquitos that perfect spicy, creamy kick we're looking for. Next, let's make those crispy cheese shells. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place small mounds of shredded mozzarella cheese on the sheet, about 2 tablespoons per mound. Spread them out into small circles. We'll bake these for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're melted and golden. This is what will create the crispy, cheesy shell around your taquitos. Now, it's time to assemble. Place your tortillas on a flat surface and add about 2 tablespoons of the buffalo chicken mixture in the center of each. Roll them up tightly, making sure the filling stays inside. Do this for all your tortillas. The cheese shells will give the taquitos that extra crispiness, but rolling them up tightly ensures all that flavor stays in. Once they're all rolled up, lightly spray the taquitos with olive oil. Then place them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden and crispy. Once they're done, serve them with a side of blue cheese dressing or ranch for dipping. And you're all set. There you have it. Buffalo Chicken Taquitos with baked cheese shells. Perfect for a game day snack or anytime you want a cheesy, spicy treat. Enjoy!